Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Use a pentalobe driver to loosen the two bottom screws, then apply gentle heat to the back glass to soften adhesive. Once done, place a suction cup and lift slightly. Insert an opening pick to create a gap. Make sure to work on an ESD-safe surface and keep screws sorted. Small parts look the same but differ in length, so organization matters. Once you have a gap, continue heating the edges to around 60-80 degrees so the adhesive becomes pliable. Moving slowly prevents cracking internal components. Slide thin picks around the perimeter, keeping depth to roughly 1 to 2 millimeters to avoid cables and the frame. If adhesive resists, reheat locally and use a small amount of adhesive solvent. Make sure to wipe residue with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free cloth. You now dry fit the new back glass to ensure holes and camera align. Once satisfied, apply new adhesive strips or a thin, even bead of appropriate adhesive. Carefully press the glass into place and reinsert the bottom screws. After assembly, power on the phone and test camera, wireless charging, and sensors to confirm function. If something fails, make sure to reseat any flex cables and inspect for debris. Often a misaligned cable or tiny piece of glass causes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.